Shuri Castle Park. That's where we are now with JOOOSH and Aunty Hayley. Say hi to the 10 people that watch this for 10 seconds and then click to a more interesting video. And we're in Okinawa. Okay. Let's have a look. And by the way, I know no one's watching this because I can see the analytics on YouTube. You guys are watching the first 10 seconds and going, what is this crap? I'm going to watch something else.
I've been to the castle.
Like cat videos. What?
I've been to the castle.
Yes, we are.
So, ask them to stay another 20 seconds.
No. It's boring. Why would you even watch this channel? It's called Don't Watch JOOOSH's Really Boring Video Diary. Oh, anyway, to make it less boring, I might cut it here. Oh, actually, no, we can walk a bit because it's in 360. You don't have to look like just at my face or head. You can look anywhere you want, or you can even check out the cool shoes I'm wearing. Look at this. Oh, that looks weird because I'm too close to the camera. So if now look at it. See that? Italian Vibrams. They're really good, but wish I'd make the toe areas a little bit bigger, but it looks pointy, but they're not actually that pointy. They're roomy. Anyway, we're not here talking about the shoes, except that they're called furoshiki for Japanese wrapping. Japanese wrapping shoes made by Italians. Check it out. Anyway, should talk about the castle, except I don't really know anything about the castle except it's Japanese, and apparently it burnt down and they rebuilt it again with modern construction stuff like cranes and stuff. But back then they had to build it all by hand and ropes and stuff and lift the stones there by hand. They didn't have the cat or the Hitachi little excavation machine. Alright, what's this? This guard looks a bit menacing. Can we go in here? Oh.
Hey, a photo here. We're gonna do a photo here?
Do this one. Now smile. Alright, now you get the screen capture from the video. I'd better check out this lion. Alright, that's the lion guarding the entrance, like this guy. Arigato! Konnichiwa?
Yeah.
That doesn't mean good afternoon.
Yes, konnichiwa is good afternoon.
Is it? I thought it meant thank you or something.
Thank you, it's arigato.
Arigato, master, or... Alright. So, are we gonna go in?
Yeah, you want to, right?
That doesn't look very traditional, this building there with the vents. Alright, I better read some stuff, otherwise it's gonna get boring. Ryuhi, the 7 Instituture tablets, and Zoosamon. It's one of the Pokemons. Okay, you read that. Not enough time, you can pause it. And look, I'll even stop at the Japanese text. There you go. Oh, Korean. Looks all the same to me. Are we going up?
Yes.
Go up these stairs. Into the castle. Might feel like you're an invading force. Charging the castle with your ninja shoes. And your sword. What's this? No entry. Oh, it's a little waterfall. Alright, let's have a look at this. This is like the sewage or something of the castle. Like the toilet, when you pee, it goes down the pipes and out that dragon's mouth. Alright. Getting tired walking up this. Where's the escalator? Alright, and shout out to Danny, who's like the only one that actually watches these videos. Thanks for watching. You've skewed my analytics to make the average viewing time much longer. Like, if it weren't for you, it'd be like 2 seconds max. Alright, here we go. Up more stairs. And here we go. Onegai ashimasu. Okay, look at this. I've been saying that a lot actually. Is this actually made of wood? It is made of wood, look! And termites are already eating it, look at that! Termites are eating it apart. Ticket entrance! Hope this is cheap. Oh, look at this. Dozo. Now, let's see how much this is. Look, it's only 400 yen. That's like 4 Australian dollars. Gotta buy a ticket. Came all the way from Honky Land. Look at this machine, it's cool. So 800 yen for 2 people. And then you put your money in. Alright. Soon we can go into the castle. You know, it's only like a few hundred years ago, or maybe more than that. Let's say a few thousand years ago. To get into the castle, you couldn't just pay 400 yen, you'd have to bring your army with you.
This is cheaper than...
Yeah! I don't know why you'd want to come all the way here and not pay $4 to go in. I mean 400 yen.
You don't want to go? Or you don't want to pay?
I don't want to pay expensive stuff. I want to pay cheap stuff.
So this is cheap to you?
$4? Yeah, it's pretty cheap. It's worth it. I'm very poor at the moment because of the 5 C's. But, gotta splurge a little when you're on holiday. Alright, let's go. We're going into the main area. Oh, it looks nice. You see, gotta do your IG.
Go to my IG.
So, no, I said you gotta do your IG.
Yeah.
See, this stuff is really good for 360 video, not the aquarium, because the aquarium is all looking into one little area. But this is very good for looking around. Like, people can look around everywhere as I walk, and they don't have to look at my ugly face. They can look at the Japanese architecture, or my shoes, or the sky. It's up to them. What's this? Oh! Oh, it's an ant carrying a butterfly. Alright. Alright.
Original, you know? Or
You're here. And then what's happened here?
That is burnt down.
Oh, so this stuff burnt down. And this stuff is original stuff.
So this gate is original.
So this is the original gate from a few thousand years ago. It's not a remastered version. Or replica? Maybe that's the right word.
Thank you.
Arigato. Arigato. Alright, let's see. Photo spot. or Insta 360 spot. All right, let's put it up high so people can see.
This is like the castle that they're trying to rebuild. So now they cover the whole thing. You can't see it.
All right.
This is the fake building.
See this metallic building? They're actually building a new castle inside it. That's very interesting. So they build... I mean, it's really hot here. So they build like a garage, and then inside they probably air condition it all. And then inside the garage, they build the castle. And then later they take down... They probably demolish all this, and then there'll be like a castle there. Interesting. Japanese technology.
Should be ready? Yeah, this one?
Yes, 1 out of 10 photo spots.
Huh?
Now, why did it burn down? Well, obviously a fire burnt it down.
Don't ask me how it started.
Well, anyway, it burnt down. I'm guessing maybe electrical fire. That's usually it, because they don't really burn down things in Japan. Like in Australia, every school holidays, half the forest is on fire. Well, we call it a bush. Half the bush is on fire in Australia. Coincidentally, when the school holidays are on. But this is Japan, so they don't usually do that naughty stuff here. Oh, this is a nice view. Alright, I'm going to raise the camera so you can have a look at Okinawa. This would be a nice view, so I might leave it up there for a little while, and then you can experience the magicness of blurry 360 video, brought to you by Insta 360 and YouTube. Or you can scan this QR code and go on their version of the 3D. I think they did some mapping. I forget what it's called, but it's when they get a drone and they fly the drone through multiple paths, and then the computer can figure out the 3D wireframe of the area, topology or something. Anyway, alright, we're going into this metal thing. Watch traditional techniques at work at the window. Well, it's Monday today, so hopefully they're actually at work. Look at them. They're doing it. Well, they got the wheel now, but maybe they had the wheel before. But look, they're actually making it with... Well, they have electric tools. But look at this guy. Chisels. Well, I'm sure it's not that interesting looking at pictures, so let's see the real thing. Hopefully they're at work. It should be, it's Monday. Oh. Oh. There's no one at work today. Hey, it's Monday. Shouldn't they all be at work? It's like 3:51. They should be working hard.
Maybe they're working on the other end, which you can't see.
I don't see any movement of those conveyor belt things.
Look at all these pieces. I wonder if this is helping make the wooden.
But it's really nice to build this garage over the top so they don't have to work in the sun.
Making all these pieces here.
Like, back in the day, they couldn't build a thing over it to build the castle. I guess if they could have, they might as well just use the metal structure as the castle. It'd be much more durable, but...
Well, I mean, like, if they do this, it means that they can work all the time.
Yeah, and even in summer, they can turn on the aircon.
Or raining days.
Yeah, back in the imperial days, they'd have to build it in the sun for the emperor. Work has been underway since 2021 on building a timber warehouse. Okay. All right, well,
Plus a timber warehouse. Timber roof.
all right. And they're building stuff.
Yeah, can you hear the sound? The noise inside? And
Oh yeah, I heard that. Sound of construction. I know why the ticket's cheap now. Because you can't go in, you can only go on the outside. They charge us $4. I mean 400 yen to look at the construction of it. These people are very good businessmen. 400 yen to look at them building what's going to be the castle. Oh, here. Castle fire. Got to figure out what happened. Shinjuro Castle fire in 2019 October. That's when COVID started. Was it October or November? Just before COVID started. All right, so it was really nice, and then bow. All right, what happened? What started the fire though? They're not telling us. I think they know, but they don't want to say.
Oh yeah, it's got the antenna. Or the,
All right, on fire. Fireman. The dragon survived. Alright, everything's wrecked. They get to burn it down. I mean, build it up again. Karyowa, that's the company that's making it. Or it's the brand of fabric.
No, that's the fabric.
So they didn't say why. Oh, yes. They didn't say why it burnt down. Very suspicious.
okay.
And those are the police.
Okay. I think I can see it, yeah.
Yeah, it's
Japanese are very advanced. Even back in the time, they had like steel stuff and bolts and stuff on the dragon. Maybe they outsourced to China and then got the dragon made. The whole interior is all metal.
But this castle has been burned down for a few times in the past, so they might have rebuilt it.
Oh,
I just guess.
I guess so. Look, they even had glass fiber. Glass fiber? Japanese were very advanced. Alright. Okay, now it looks like any other construction project now. Well, actually no. Only the Japanese are nice enough to put the soundproofing stuff. In every other country they go, bugger you, we're just going to make the sound as loud as we can. I'm not going to care. Like, how many times I've been woken up in my apartment with the sound of and then you hear it's really annoying. Half the time I can't sleep. Hate it. Karahafu. Alright. Have we only been here for 20 minutes? But unfortunately it's not as picturesque as I hoped it was, or would be, but we'll see. Alright, we're at the Yoho Ko Raiden.
Video. Let's have a look.
Hmm?
The video inside.
Oh. We're watching a video inside. Oh, this is like a show thing. Well, I don't think I'll tape this because it'd be boring to watch a video of a video. But it's basically explaining this whole deal of the reconstruction. World Heritage Site. Do you want to watch this?
I need the aircon.
Oh, alright. I guess we'll watch a bit then.
Like 5 minutes, maybe?
Oh, it's very hot here. Oh. It's a, kind of an impressive screen. Alright, I'm gonna cut the video and then the next interesting spot, I'll record again. We'll just chill here. Might even buy a drink. You know what? I really like the drink machines in Japan. But they don't really do no sugar. They do sugar.
Black coffee?
Yeah, only 160 yen.
Sugar free.
Nope, full fat. Full fat. Alright. A lot of stairs in these castles. I think they didn't really have a good way to do escalators back then, so they'd have to walk. But also, they were a lot fitter back then. Like, I'll walk up this and feel out of breath. That's because all I do is stay at home and play on the computer or sit down and try to sing better and then not be very effective at it. A lot of sitting. And then when we go anywhere, we go buy a car, sit down again. Okay, here we are. We're looking at the Agari no Azana south side. Very nice. Very little Japanese village house looking. Let's have a look with the higher camera view. It's almost like having a drone. No skyscrapers here, unlike the view in Hong Kong. Like, there's one tall tower, which is the NTT Mobile Communication Tower. I'm reading it off the little map there. They don't have skyscrapers here in Okinawa. Interesting, huh? And I guess they don't really need to, because it's not like Hong Kong where there's no more land. Hong Kong's like an island, and most of it is actually forest, but no one's allowed to build there because the government likes their trees and likes keeping the real estate prices high. So Hong Kong, it's you can only build up. Well, this is nice. Let's have an aerial view from this side. Look how big that garage is, the castle garage. Nice. I kind of wish this camera was more sharp. It's very blurry. The reason for that is it really only shoots 5.6K video, which YouTube downsizes to 4K because no one has the bandwidth to display it properly in 2023. So, unfortunately, all the resolution goes. And the other thing is this camera is actually capable, well, the lens and the sensor is actually capable of resolving 8K, but the chip itself isn't capable of recording 8K video because it's not fast enough, and the memory cards aren't fast enough, etc. So there's all these limitations. We'll get there slowly, like technology will get there, but well, people complain that these videos are blurry. Well, that's about as good as it gets on this consumer type camera, plus YouTube won't let me make it sharper anyway. So even if I had a really sharp camera, YouTube would only let me do 4K for 360. So, and the other thing is, it's 4K for like everywhere, not just one little area. Like not just like one little area like this. It's 4K for the front and the back and the up and the down. So that's why it's so blurry. Now you know. Anyway, check out this view. All right, enjoying the cool breeze. This island is not that big. Literally, you can see from one end to the other end, and then it's kind of long.
Yeah.
But like already here, we can see a large majority of this whole island. Alright, have we looked at this side yet? One more side to look at. All kind of looks the same actually. Okay. Well, I hope you're enjoying this. Let's see if there's anything else to have a look at. Alright, now if you're looking here, this is actually a bathhouse, a hot spring. Maybe it's not a hot spring, but a bath of some sort. Well, obviously it's not in operation right now, but back in the day, they would have had lots of female attendants. That's a bit of a euphemism, having a bath here. And if you don't believe me, you can read this thing. Bathhouse for female attendants.
Stuff for the king.
That's a euphemism for the entertainment ladies or something like that, right?
Or they could be just working in the palace.
Like the cleaning lady?
Maybe.
I don't think so. This is Japan.
Or like
What's this?
we were there just now.
What's that
It's a
then?
souvenir shop.
Oh, okay, souvenir shop. Museum shop. Alright, let's have a quick look at the museum shop. Gotta buy your souvenirs and get air conditioning. Ah, so nice. A lions? Lions? Pizza.
This is so Caesar.
Caesar. Caesar.
Lion.
Like the Roman
It's a
emperor.
protection lion.
Oh, yeah. Alright. Kind of like your regular store. With TV to watch. And I guess snacks. Oh, by the way. Spam in rice. By the way, if you go to Japan, the service station food is absolutely delicious. It's got the best chicken, the best fried chicken I've ever tasted.
Lawson?
Yeah,
Family
Lawson
Mart?
or Family Mart. Just go buy the 200 yen fried chicken. It's freaking good, delicious. It beats like. I'll tell you what the worst chicken I've had in my life is. Any KFC in Hong Kong. Horrible. It's like, imagine the saltiest, driest, smallest, shriveled up chicken. Like, you eat it and your face shrivels up because of how salty it is and how dry it is. It's horrible. But they do have the best tarts, like po tarts in Hong Kong KFC. So they should just rebrand it to KFP, KF Kentucky Fried Po Tarts. Anyway, yeah.
Do you want to
The
look
point
at
is, chicken in Japan service stations, amazing. Chicken and fried chicken in Hong Kong, horrendous. We're about to go into another house. Can't read any signage. Well, it says toilet, but it's actually more than a toilet. You can see a video of them making the castle again, using traditional techniques, apparently. And they use child labor too. See the kids making the lines that go into the castle. Like this stuff. All child labor. Japanese kids doing all the work. Hope they pay them well. Don't touch the roof. Japanese technology, it's really cool, see? The snow and the rain won't stick to it. It will just run down, and they're very vertical, so you know an area has a lot of snow when the roofs are very vertical, because the vertical roofs stop snow from staying there, and then eventually it will collapse the whole house because of the weight. More TV. And a tree. Look at this tree. Cool wood. It looks very backlit, as in very dark, but at least you can still kind of see it. That's it for the tour. We're on the way out. Let's wrap it up. Oh no, we still got this park. Oh, well, it's not the ending yet. We can look at this park. Yeah, I have to walk there. I paid $4 for this.
I'll wait here.
400 yen, actually. But 400 yen roughly equals to $4 Australian. So, like, you kind of just divide, well, the 400, you divide by 100, and it becomes, 400 becomes 4.00. And I mean, I guess most people aren't from Australia, but I still think in terms of Australian dollars, so it makes it easier to figure out that currency. Reproduction of bamboo grove and twin branch bamboo decorating the siding. Some park with bamboo. Kind of peaceful. It's worth a 360 look, I reckon. Okay. Some people have mentioned that these videos are kind of relaxing, and I think that's true because, well, it's really another way to say it's really boring, right? It's relaxing. So next time you're bored, just say, oh, this is very relaxing. Like, this is a very relaxing movie. And then it doesn't make you sound like such an a-hole. I think this would be quite nice at night because they've modernized it with these lights. I imagine with the lighting at night it would be really lovely. What is that? Looks like a whole nother castle. And I mean to my right side. Oh, the weather, by the way. There was like a Marwan, super typhoon Marwan was coming in, so the weather's been a little bit overcast and a little breezy these few days. It's been a bit of a mixture actually. Earlier today there was like some nice direct sun, and it's still quite hot. Yeah, but anyway, I imagine it would look even nicer on a blue sky day. But unfortunately, you get what you get, and well, this is what you get. Maybe when you come here yourself, or if you watch someone else's video, you get like the nice blue sky, which is actually very important if you're doing nice photography or videos, if you want it to look as beautiful as it can be. Alright, now we're at the exit, so now we can do our final review of this nice little castle in construction in Okinawa. So, what did you think?
It's not worth to buy the ticket to go into half.
Not worth 400 yen to come and look at them build it.
I mean, like, this area are all free. It's just that castle inside is 400 yen.
Yeah.
If you don't want to buy the ticket, you still get to walk around and have a look.
Alright, so come here and don't waste your 400 yen. Just come here and then don't buy the ticket, because all this is free. It's public Japanese area. You come here and then walk and enjoy the garden. And then if you're rich, then you can spend 400 yen to look at like that little shop with the TVs, which we didn't even look at.
In the garage.
And the garage. But no, don't wish, man, you just look at this video, and then it's just as boring as this video anyway. So it's just a garage there. So I just saved you 400 yen. You know what you can get for 400 yen? What, you need two of those fried chickens I mentioned. It's freaking delicious. They're a little salty, so you might want to get some rice. But go to Family Mart or go to Lawson, and then just go. It's in their little oven, little display oven.
Go to Lawson and buy one fried chicken and my favorite coffee jelly.
Oh, the coffee jelly is good too. We should do a review on that. See if I can remember or if we have time. But yeah, that's like, if you like fried chicken, and who doesn't like fried chicken? It's one of the best in the world. I can't believe the best fried chicken in the world is actually in every Japanese service station. Like, yeah, in every Japanese service station, there's the best fried chicken you've ever had. It's crazy, but it's true. And I think that's it. Anything else to mention about this place?
No. And the car park costs 400 yen as well.
The car park's 400 yen. What a rip! Big tree. Is there street side parking? I don't think there is though.
No.
If you drive a car, you're gonna get ripped with the car parking, and then you're gonna get ripped with the ticket, unless you're smart and listen to my advice. But no one's gonna listen to my advice, because no one's gonna watch this video because it's too damn boring and too damn long.
Well, once they will rebuild the castle, then maybe you can buy the ticket to
Oh yeah,
come for a visit.
once they rebuild it, it might be really nice. So this is only a temporary review while the castle is being built, because it burnt down for unspecified reasons. They wouldn't tell us why it burnt down, but I know why. And if you can read between the lines, you know why as well. Yeah. Very sad that it happened, but it happened. And that's it. Thanks for watching JOOOSH's, or actually don't watch JOOOSH's really boring video diary. And if you like this crap, there's more on the channel. You can click somewhere and see other videos. Maybe even ones of me and Auntie Hayley's adventures in Japan. Well, there's only a few of them because I didn't want to spend the whole entire time here holding this camera and talking about, like, rambling on about stuff. Oh, here comes all the tourists. I wonder if they're going to get ripped for 400 yen each. That's a lot of money they're going to make. With the money that they rip people off to come here to look at them build the thing, they can have it built. It's pretty good. Alright. Oh, World Heritage. World Heritage List. Wow, must be impressive then. But we didn't think it was. Anyway, gotta end this video. Bye.
Bye. See you next time.